Michael with the Vision Experience, and in this video we're going to talk about our secondary preamp that we've installed into our custom 7.1 Premiere system that gives you a whole separate set of exciting audio options. With this preamp, we have taken the stereo analog audio output from our two Blu-ray 3D DVD players. We also have two analog stereo inputs on the side of the case, outside audio 1 and outside audio 2. Those are all going into our 4 channels here on the preamp. We are also taking our wireless mic and plugging that through the preamp. Now with this preamp, we're taking the outputs and sending it to the side of the case, directly stereo outputs. This allows you to send a separate path of audio to an FM transmitter, to recording, whatever you want. We also take the audio output and go through an analog to digital converter and go back into our receiver, allowing us to take all of those audio inputs and convert them to 7.1 surround sound. Now what's great about this is, first of all, with your stereo microphone. By going through this conversion process, you can now have 7.1 with your microphone when you're making all your announcements, if you're setting up the entire 7.1 array. It also allows you to do speaking over your devices. So if you want to mix the microphone over your audio input, such as your DVD players, your outside devices, when you go through this preamp to do that, you're able to get that effect. Now what might be commonly done is maybe it's before your movie or event begins and you've got your music and trailers and things playing, you've got your mic going, and you're doing the converted 7.1 effect, but then when the movie starts, switch your audio to the direct HDMI output from your Blu-ray players and you'll get a higher quality 7.1 audio sound. So several other features that are involved with this, including our 2D to 3D creator setup, and we'll talk about that in another video, which is another function of this preamp, but it's all about flexibility and options, and that is what our secondary preamp does.